Product is from New Zealand. It's called Fisher and Paykel. They also have purchased a couple of years ago a company called DCS, which is Pro Cooking in California. One of the unique products they have here is a 42-inch drawer that you can store products in. It can be an ice maker as well as a compartment for foods. It's under the counter. This stainless, if you look at it, is a little duller than the stainless steel that we have out there. It's less nickel in the stainless steel. It gives a different finish to it. It's their answer, Fisher Paykel's answer to basically a new stainless, although when you look at it, you see stainless to begin with. Again, it's supposed to be help with the fingerprints. Yeah.